Are you looking for the best book light? We've got this one right here. Figured I'd show this thing off to you guys today. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside. If y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys putting that up for me right there. So this is the book light right here. What I really like about this is like a long beam of lights right there. So it'd be able to fill the entire page so you can see all the way across the book, which is great. Oh man, you got a nice big clip right there too. Look at how big that is. So you can put it on different size books, and it's got a little swivel to it right there. If you got like a really big book, you might need to have that extra bit of room right there. Just to give you guys a measurement too for this, I'm reading, I'll do it this way so y'all can see too, from the top to the bottom, we are looking at about 1.5 inches all the way across right there. And it's got like a little bit of some grippiness, sticky stuff right there on it as well, so that it's going to really grab onto the book nicely. And you got a really good spring in there as well, so that's awesome. Simple USB-C port on the side right there. You got your charging indicator lights right here on the top. And you got this arm right here that bends very nicely. Oh, and you got different buttons on the top, so you can control the temperature, like the color of it. You can control the power, and then you can also control the brightness of it right there. So to test this out, I got 3 different books right here. I got a bigger, what do you call that, paperback book. I've got a smaller, for like kids, a smaller paperback book. And then I also have a hardcover book right here as well, so we can get a good test on that. So we'll start with this one right here. This one obviously is going to be easy. Pop this right onto there. See how it holds up nicely? It doesn't kind of flop back or anything. We can turn on our light. Here, look, let me turn off these lights over here. Whoops. So y'all can see that. It's got a good amount of brightness to it right there, but then it also has this brightness setting. So if you needed to bring it up or down, you can do that. Looks like it's got about 4 settings or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then back down. And then you also have your temperature of light setting right here, so you can press that. Ooh, that's a nice like orange glow. So at night, if you want to kind of like protect your circadian rhythm, not have a lot of blue light, you can put it onto that setting, almost like a candle light. Is that the, let's see. And then it can go brighter and brighter and brighter and brighter. And then back down here. You look at how many little LED lights you get on there too. That is a good amount, like 10 lights all the way across. So that's awesome. Let's see, let's press that color button again. This is like a blue light, so if you're reading like maybe it's during the daytime, you can put it onto the blue light. Might be able to help you see a little bit better. And then I think that's back to where we were. Yeah, so you have 3 different settings here for your lights. The orange, the kind of blue, and then your mix of the orange and the blue right there. And then, of course, you have the brightness settings for each of those. So now you can open up your book, bring down on your light, and then, I mean, you can see. I'm going to put it on the brightest setting so y'all can really see. You can really see how it really illuminates the entire page right there, which is awesome. Love that. Then on the paperback book, again, holds up nicely. No issues there. You can also use it as kind of like a little bookmark as well. And on this one, again, put it onto the book right there. Holds up nicely. You can open it. There's a wider book as well. And look how you can see all the words and everything on there, which is awesome. You can easily bend this different ways if you need to turn it to one way or the other. So if y'all are looking for an excellent book light, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all one of these right here. This thing looks fantastic. Hey, y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that helpful right there. Definitely appreciate you guys looking that up for us. Y'all go and add this to your cart if this is something that you want. And also, they make this in a whole bunch of other colors as well. So if there's a particular color that you're looking for, definitely go and check out the product listing below, and they'll have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can go and pick out the one that's, going to match your style and personality and all that. I believe I saw a blue, a red, a yellow. I think there was a purple on there. So definitely go and check that out if that's something that you want. But thank y'all for watching. Thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I could show it off to y'all. And dad out.